welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for stopping by. I'm so glad you're here with me. Today I'm gonna start this little corner that I've kind of throughout the year have built up different things and different flowers, and I figured today would be a good day to start it. I'm not gonna get everything done today. Right now it's really windy, and I'm hoping you guys can hear me okay, and it's a little chilly, but I'm eager to start cleaning up this corner. I have a lot of dead plants that I'm going to kind of trim and get ready for the spring. As well, I'm going to do some transplanting. I have a couple plants here that I'm going to transplant, as well as I'm probably going to head over to Lowe's and get some more dirt and some more plants to bring some color, some pop to this corner. I just wanted to kind of focus on these tin buckets here, and I'm going to spray paint them just to kind of bring some more color and just make this look a little bit more inviting and warm and cozy. I don't know if warm and cozy would be the best way to describe it, but anyway, we're going to make this so nice. So I'm not going to do a lot of talking. I'm going to just have you kind of follow along with me and hope that you're inspired to get ready for the spring and get ready for the nice warm weather. Before I get started, I wanted to show you my geraniums. They're beautiful, and I love how hardy they are. I've thought at one point that I had killed them, but they are beautiful, coming in bloom, and I've just have them right here in the shade. They don't get full sun, they do get some sun, but they're perfect for if you need a full plant in a corner or just wherever you want to put them. They're perfect. I love them. What I have right here is just some green green spiky something. I'm not really good with names, but they create such a nice height to the middle of a container. This one I had transplanted last year and it died, so I cut it down to nothing, and it grew nice. It just kind of resprouted and just came up nice and full, so I'm happy about that. I love my corner piece here. It's a jade plant. This I got from an estate sale as well, and when I got it, it was tiny, and these are really hardy. They're great if you don't have a green thumb. I don't have to water it that often, and it's kind of in the corner that again doesn't get much direct sun, but it's just a perfect plant for this corner. right, so we're here at Lowe's. I have Christopher with me. We are gonna go look to see what they have for flowers and what we could put around in the yard and just kind of make it pop a little bit. So as we go look, come with us and see what we find.
I'm gonna go glow in the dark theme. No, I was kidding.
Glow in the dark.
Yeah.
No. Hi.
Hi.
All right, so we're back from Lowe's, and I got just a couple little flowers. I didn't really want to get a whole lot just because it's still early spring, and I didn't really see a whole lot that I really like that would last me all year. So anyway, what I got here is I got a couple of these, actually a few of these, and these are, I don't know how to pronounce it, Iberis. Anyway, they're nice and full, and I'm going to be able to put them around some plants that I have here. Got my little helper here. Are you helping me?
Yeah.
Okay. This is Anne Viola.
Wait, what kind is this?
That one's the same one.
Oh.
Yeah, so I got 2 of those.
And
They're white.
3 of these?
Yeah, 3 of those. And this is a stalk, kind of like a snapdragon, but just a little.
What's a snapdragon?
It's a type of flower, but these are called stalk.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. And I'm going to use this for height. All right, this is called, Jordan, this is called Anne Viola. Yeah, Anne Viola. Okay, which one is that one? That one is called Anne Viola 2. But what color is that one?
Red.
Red. And then this one is?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay, cool. So that's going to help with the pop of color, right? Yeah. And this is a snapdragon.
Oh.
But we don't have any blooms, and I did that on purpose. Did you know that?
What
Yeah.
do you do on purpose?
I made sure that they weren't going to be big flower yet because I wanted to grow in my yard, not the store. Pretty good idea, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
That one's a snapdragon as well. So we're going to put those around. I got this container for my hydrangea that I'm going to transplant in here. All right, so we're all done, and I'm thrilled on how everything came together. It was a little chilly today, but we kind of pressed through. And as you saw, I had some helpers, and I was so thankful for that because some of those full buckets of flowers are heavy. It feels so good just to be able to move things around and move some debris and some things that are kind of collected through the winter months, and it just felt great. So I'm inspiring you to get outside, to get into those flower gardens and whatever corner that you have, and maybe spruce it up a little bit. Just rake it out, the dead leaves. Also to spray paint things that you may want to change the color scheme of it, and let me know how it goes. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for being here with me. Have a wonderful week, and do not forget to like, share, and comment. Have a great week. Bye-bye.